Welcome. I'm going to walk you through how to assemble Symfonisk, our new range of Wi-Fi speakers, a collaboration between Sonos and IKEA. Here we have the Symfonisk bookshelf speaker seen in its most fundamental state. Every connector, transducer, resistor, capacitor, fastener, circuit board, antenna, and power supply laid out for us. Each and every part needs to be meticulously put together to produce great Symfonisk sound. Just reference your Symfonisk manual. Or you can just buy the already assembled Symfonisk bookshelf speaker at IKEA.